In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tracking, delivery options, and turning on read receipts in Outlook. Read receipt means the confirmation of whether your recipient has received the email or not. It can be quite handy sometimes. Let's launch the Outlook app. In the title bar, click on File. In the left side menu, click on Options. In the Options menu, go to the Mail tab. In the Mail menu, scroll down to the Tracking section. Here you can see a couple of options are available. If you turn on the first option, you will get a notification when your email is delivered to the recipient's email server. If you turn on the second option, you will get a notification when the recipient has read or opened your email. That way, you can also be sure that your email has reached the recipient successfully. If you turn on both of the options, you will get two notifications. One is when the email is delivered successfully, and the other is when the recipient reads your email. However, the notification you get will rely on the settings of the recipient, which brings me to the second point. You can see some other options here also. This is the setting for when someone sends you an email and requests receipts. You have three options available here. If you select the first one, the read receipts will be sent to the sender automatically. If you select the second one, Outlook will not send any read receipts to any sender. And if you select the third one, whenever you receive an email, Outlook will ask permission to send the read receipts. You can allow or deny the permission if you want. That is why when you send an email to someone, the recipient has to allow it so that you can get your read receipts. Following these steps, you can track your email progress and request read receipts.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.